Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I come and love you.
Hello. So guys, we have something big today. We have something big today. I don't know if you're prepared. I'm kidding. As you see from the title, we are doing another haul. Yeah. I feel like at this point this became my thing. I don't know. But today we have another haul from White Fox, actually. Guys, we have yeah, we have that. So we're gonna get into all of this today. I don't know what's in any of these, to be honest, because I got this a time back ago, so I'm not really sure. Not sure. I'm actually really excited. You know me, every 5 seconds, like when it's a haul, I'm like, is it Christmas? Like everything feels like a box, so I don't really know what's in what. Okay, packaging. Ooh. Literally, we have a bag here full of goodies, I'm assuming. I wanna go through the shoes, because I'm assuming these are shoes first. I wanna go through the shoes and see what it's about, you know? I swear when I was little, opening like bubble wrap was like, I think the highlight of my day. Oh, it comes with a little bow. God, this packaging is so freaking cute. Whenever people package stuff really nice, I get nervous because I don't want to break it. Like, you know, on Christmas when somebody gives you a present and it's so nice and you're like, I need to see what's inside it. Ew, okay. Oh, these aren't shoes. These are sweater. I hate myself so much. I was not a ooh. Pause. This is, oh my God, guys, it's been getting cold in LA too. I'm just so happy. So it's a sweater and it comes with shorts, the matching shorts with it. I'm gonna put this on. I love how, so I'm gonna go to shoes first, but I thought those were shoes, but they're not shoes, so. Guys, this is so cute. Oh my God. I wanna show you like the details. So the sweater literally has this print on it. It just says White Fox and stuff. And then it has some cute shorts with it. Literally guys, it's so soft. Like it's literally so soft, so cozy. I love cozy clothing. I love it so much. Literally, it's so soft, and I love how it's a matching set too. So you know, we're giving the girls a cute set here. We're giving the girls a cute set. Okay, now I'm a little curious. What's in this bag then? And this set that I really do like. Yeah, I'm gonna be really like, y'all should have never done this. And I got a Taurus moon guy. Y'all already know me and my Taurus moon are like, girl, where's the cozy? I'm about to be up in the bed. Okay, so this came in this little pouch. I really love their packaging. It's just so nice. Like quality packaging is just, doesn't get any better than this. Oh, is this another set? Oh, ooh. Okay, I'm excited. Ooh. Okay, I just got bombarded. Okay, so the first thing I have is Stuck With You. Oh, it's a set. It looks great. You know what, honestly, this is like a winter cozy haul. It's been established. You're here and we see it. I'm happy that we both came to this conclusion. So it's like, it's a sweater, obviously. We got a sweater. And then it comes with really cute, cozy, is it shorts? Yeah, shorts. Oh my God. I feel like, I'm just gonna put it on. Yeah. It's speaking for itself. speaking for itself. It's soft, it's comfortable, it's cute. We got a little cozy going on. Honestly, when this video is over, I'm putting this back on. Once I You know when a haul like instantly starts going off before you were even mentally prepared? This is me. We have a sweater. They're reading my mind. Okay, so we have a tan sweater. It says White Fox on it, as we see. We love this. Ooh, and it's kind of like oversized. Okay, so this is the sweater, and I'm kind of just basically wearing it oversized, which you can do. I feel like me being in LA, that just makes the most sense for me, just to wear oversized. But literally, the sweater is so cute. I love the detailing on it. It just warms my heart. Oh my God. All these are in a size small for surely. And I love how this is small and still oversized. I'm just the type of girl that I like some room and stuff, so. That was all in the first blue bag. I don't know whether I should move on to this bag or should I move? Okay. I'm gonna move on to this. I don't know what's in any of these, if I'm quite honest with you. Ooh, we have one of those boxes again. We could have, I don't know if these are shoes or sweats. We have a surprise. Just wait for the surprise. Oh my God. Okay, I'm just gonna put the bow. This is so cute. I love these. It's in a little note. I love y'all too. I thought this had a stain on it for 2 seconds because it's tie-dye. Girl, I opened this up. I was like, girl, what did I do? What did I do? Okay, we have, ooh. Oh, we have hella pieces in here. Oh, shoot. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so this is the blue tie-dye one. Basically, this is so cute. Oh my God. Okay, so up next we have, we got a bodysuit going on, so I'm gonna try this on and see what this is about. We know the deal. Okay, so next I just got a plain black bodysuit. As you can see in the detailing though, it does kind of have like a cup, like it kind of holds your boobs in a way, kind of like gives a little definition there. So I really do like that about this. But this is really cute, you know, throw some jeans on with it, throw like, I don't know, I just put some biker shorts because that's just what I had on at the moment. But yeah, this is super cute. I really just like the fit of it also. So. Okay guys, so before I even show you this, it just clicked in my head. It just clicked. Remember the sweater I showed you, the tan sweater that had this on the front? So with this, they have the shorts with it. The shorts is, this is really Christmas. This is, okay, let me show you this set. So we have a black set going on here. We have the shorts, got the sweater, literally so cute. Literally super cute, super cozy. We love that. And it's so soft, and I really love how like, I can really just put this on and call it a day. Like I literally will be putting this on and that's my outfit for the rest of the day. Don't ask me no questions. Don't ask me, don't call me, you know what it is. Okay, so, oh yeah, I want to tell y'all, they sent a mask as well. That's so sweet. I love masks. But, period, and this will be worn. Okay, so they had a little pouch, and not even a little. They had a pouch that came in the box. Literally, you can use this to hold your wigs. I don't know if it's just me, but I like finding things and reusing it for a different purpose. That's just the best time. It's like a 2-for-1 deal. Okay. Now we have, ooh, I think I know what this is. Okay. So, tie-dye hoodie that says White Fox on it in the front, and then just has some stuff on the back of it. I'm not really sure. Oh, it just says different states. My brain stopped working. I'm gonna put it on. Okay, so this is the tie-dye hoodie. Literally so cute and so comfortable. There's not really much I can say about it. It's like it's a hoodie, so I don't really. But I do like it though. I like the tie-dye print. I think it adds a little, you know, a little pizzazz to it. Plus, who doesn't love a hoodie? This is one of the first hoodies that I sent. In a beige color. Oh my god, we're having this problem again, guys. It's like, where are you? Found it. Okay, so it's like a sand color, super, literally, it says White Fox on it. It doesn't have anything on the back. Okay, so this is the second hoodie that they sent. It's literally just a tan color hoodie. I really like this hoodie. It's like super soft and it's oversized too, which is like the perfect combination. But literally super soft, oversized. I got in like a small / medium. That makes sense. But yeah, this is literally the second hoodie. So this is, I think I broke the top. Cause look, it came with like this wire thing in it, but like it was poking out, so I just took it out. But like now this side's kind of like just trying to grasp on. And this side is like perfectly doing fine. I broke the top. Okay, besides the point of that, these are the jeans. I really like the jeans. I'm so happy that they literally fit my waist, which is so nice. Only thing is like I'm flooding. I'm literally like, they're not even on my ankles at this point. It's not doing it for me. It's not, but it's still cute. Nonetheless, it's still cute. Okay, so next they gave this shirt that has a little circle in it, which I already know is about to be cute. And they came with these shorts. I'm not sure if this is a set, but personally, I know that these two will go perfectly together, so yeah. Okay, so this is the little fit I put together, period. I did that. This top is so cute, guys. Literally, you can wear this, don't you love like little tops that like you could wear like going out and stuff? Like this is the perfect, you could dress this up or dress this down, which is like really nice. But these are the biker shorts and this is the top. They weren't sold as a set, just to let you guys know. I just got these, but I know that these I just knew it was gonna look good together. But yeah, this is so cute. Honestly, I'm usually a small, but I got an extra small because I like my tops to be a little bit fitted. I personally would go up maybe in a size just because the arms are a little bit tight, but that's okay. I like how the biker shorts literally snug you at your legs, so it's you're literally secured. But yeah, this is so cute. So they gave the same top, but in white. I'm probably not gonna try this on only because you literally know what it's gonna look like. Just picture this white. Yeah, they sent the same top white, which is cute. I'm gonna wear that with some jeans. And then they also sent this top, which is the same as the black bodysuit. So I don't think it'd be very redundant at this point. But yeah, they sent a white bodysuit that is literally the same exact as the black one that you guys saw. So that is super convenient. We have our last package. It's okay. I know you're gonna miss me. Okay. So we have, sorry, I've been thinking about this set since I got the set. Okay, so it's basically the same as all the other. It's the same as the other sweater sets. Okay, I have a problem. I know. You don't have to type me in the comments. I know the problem, but this time it's in chocolate. I just saw the chocolate one and I was just like, I need this. Like, I need this for my own personal possession. What? And then the front part, it says Calabasas, which is pretty cute. Since we're in LA, adds a little razzle dazzle. But yeah, front part says Calabasas, literally so cute. It's embroidered, and then the bottoms. Okay, so this is the last item and last set, but it's so cute. Literally, we have a chocolate moment going on here. We have this cute little set, perfect for the fall, because it is the fall. Literally, you see the detailings where it says Calabasas on it, which is super cute. The shorts, it's just doing it for me. This is just doing it for me. Like, oh my God. Okay guys, we're done. We finished all, I don't know how we finished all of this and my camera did not die. I swear, I looked at it, I was like, if I don't hurry up, my camera's gonna die and I don't have time. But it's all good now. Thank you so much, White Fox, for sponsoring this video. These clothes, guys, literally I've never purchased from White Fox ever. I've never had anything from White Fox, and the quality, like literally the sweaters are so soft, so nice. So I would definitely cop me a sweater, especially during this time, especially the sets. I know. If you are new and never seen me before, hello, subscribe. But if you know you've been here since the jump, I love you. I'm gonna see you guys again. I'm gonna have more videos, and yes guys, we are having more content, new content. I already know, I've seen the comments, I've seen my DMs, I've seen the anger. But yes, we're having new content more, so just expect that and awesome stuff, and yeah. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope that you like this. Cop one of these items because it's getting cold, girl. I'm not playing. I walked outside, got almost blown away. It's freezing. But yeah, I love you guys, and I'm gonna talk to you later. Bye, girl.